That's not fair, Manuel. That's not fair.
That's not fair.
That's not fair. You use this when something feels unjustice or wrong. waxaad oranaysaa freeska marka waxay kugula muuqdaan unjustice or wrong ama qalad. You say that's not fair, like this is wrong or why me. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are still learning real phrases from movies. Okay, so horushay phraseyadan waa kuwa commonka ama kuwa caanka ee isticmaala native speakerska everyday maalin walba. So phrase koowaad,
It's not my fault.
It's not my fault one of your children of the candy corn stole my medal.
It's not my fault.
it's not my fault. When you say this phrase, you use this when you are not. Yes, when you are not responsible for something bad. Markaad mas'uul ka ahayn wax xun. You say it's not my fault, like don't blame me or I didn't do this. Phrase 2.
Yo, you better mind your own business. Mind your own business.
Mind your own business.
Mind your own business! I told you before, mind your own business.
Mind your own business. You say this when someone interferes in your personal life. waxaad leedahay marka qof uu soo galayo yani markuu soo faraha gashanayo your personal life yani noloshaada ku gaarka. You say mind your own business, like stay out of this or this is none of your concern, like tan kuma qusayso oo kale.
Oh, by the way, some skank named Barbara called and I told her to back off.
He resigned to get Forstman to back off.
I feel tons of guilt, so back off.
Just back off him and let's move on already.
Back off. You use this when you want someone to stop pressuring you. You say back off, like give me a space or leave me alone. Back off means iga durq, okay? Iga siko. Phrase 4.
Martha, stay out of this. You stay out of this. Stay out of this hospital.
You stay out of this, Glinda, or I'll fix you as well.
Stay out of this. You use this when you don't want someone involved in your situation. Like markaad rabo in qof uu yani xaalada uu soo galo kale, okay? Like you say stay out of this, like this doesn't concern you, or keep out of it. Arrintan banaanka ka joogo kale. Keep out of it.
David, that's not fair. That's not fair. That's not fair, Manuel. That's not fair.
That's not fair.
That's not fair. You use this when something feels unjustice or wrong. waxaad oranaysaa freeska marka waxay kugula muuqdaan unjustice or wrong ama qalad. You say that's not fair, like this is wrong or why me. So if you learn something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, share for more lessons. Okay, see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.